show you how to install a 2-din car stereo player to your Toyota Vios Gen 2. So these are the materials you need. This is very easy, very quick, and most importantly, no cutting of wires. So these are the materials you need. This is the 2-din car stereo head unit. I will put the link in the description below. You also need this panel, this wire harness for the stereo, and a screwdriver and an 8mm socket wrench. So let's start. So first, as you can see, my stereo is not functioning very well, even if it's key off. So we decided to replace it with a new one. So first you have to pull this cover. Just pull it until you hear it and feel it pop out. Okay, this one first, that's the first one. And then next you have to move this left and right covers of the stereo. So just pull it out right there. Pull it. Yeah. Here. Okay. Also on the left side. Right. So it's very important to keep the vehicle off. So turn off your vehicle when doing something. I don't know why my stereo is acting like this. I think there's a capacitor inside, that's why there's still light. So after this, after you remove the 3 covers, next one is this one. You have to pull it out also. Just pull it. Right, wait. There. Pull it also from this side. And there we go. Right. Put it aside. Okay. So now next we have to remove this connector. I think this is for the hazard. Yes, that's for the hazard. So there's a lock. You need to push and pull right there. This one. Push the lock and pull. Right. There's the lock you need to push right there. Right there. Next you have to remove the screw. There's 1, 2, 3, and then 4. You have to remove them, all of them, using the screwdriver. Okay. So to remove this, pull from this side and this side and on all 4 corners. So I will start from this side. Right there. You need both your hands to pull this out. So you have to do it like this and on the other side. So just pull it until you hear it lock. So I'm gonna show you next is to remove the antenna and the connectors. So alright, so this, okay guys, so this is the antenna right there. You have to pull it out, pull the antenna out. that's your antenna. And then you have to remove these 3 connectors also. Okay, 1, push, right, push and pull, right there. Last one, push and pull. Okay, so we're almost halfway through the process. So this is your original stereo. Next is you need to remove this part because you still have to use this for the replacement panel. So use your thumb and there, push it. Also on the other side, use your thumb, push it. So we still need this for the replacement panel. Set it aside. So guys, after you remove the screw, you have to take this bracket out of the original stereo because we still need it for the new one. So next is to connect the wire harness to the original loom. So this brown and black goes to the 2-din car stereo, and the other end goes to the original loom. So you need to find again the connectors, the original loom. These here they are, the blue and the white one. So just connect the 2. This one, make sure it pops, so be sure that it's locked. And this one also goes here. So that's the setup. So guys, no splice, no splicing of wires, and this is very safe. Yeah. Less trouble, less work. So next is you have to connect this to the 2-din car stereo player. So you connect the brown and the black here. Okay, so let's do it. The brown, okay guys, the brown goes on the top slot, upper slot there, and the black goes on the lower slot there. And of course you have to put back in the antenna. Here is your antenna. This is your antenna. This one, this. That's your antenna, and you have to connect it in here. This one. So just push it. Like that. And you're done. The other slots are for the audio and video if you want to use it. So just make sure everything is fit and secure, and then using the bracket, the original bracket, connect it with the screw. almost done. All you have to do now is put back all the covers. Okay, this one and the covers and the other covers. So now it's time to test the new 2-din car stereo player. So start your vehicle. Then we will test for radio.
Comfortable remaining voiceless rather than fighting for humans that have had their rights stolen. I might not be the same.
That's the radio. Okay, so this is the home button, settings, movie. So that's it for today's video, guys, and I hope you subscribe and check my other videos, and thank you. Please do subscribe.